boys are not.
Here we go. Volcano number 1. Girls first. Here it is, everybody. Watch this. Whoa. Oh, that's the lava. That's Macayla. Oh, I went right over your dinosaur too. Oh man. What do you think, you guys?
That is good.
Huh?
Is that awesome?
It didn't burn the feet of the dinosaur yet, though.
Well,
It's not supposed to.
it's gonna. Look at that. Oh man, it's still coming out.
Ryan, get away.
That looks
I
so
am not
real.
afraid of big lava. Okay, I'm gonna stand back now.
Good job. Okay, let's see. We got
It's getting light.
What is that?
Mike, and Chris,
Vinegar,
and
Jello, and
Donna, and of course, Daddy,
The mad scientist.
the mad scientist.
How many
Fun.
batches you have to make to get it the way you wanted it?
Oh, 5 or 6. But this is where it got the nice steady. See, it's still blowing.
Awesome!
It's still,
It's still coming out of there. That's cool.
it's still kicking out lava.
Look at that, you guys.
That thing
Oh yeah.
That
That
thing.
was awesome, yeah.
What is that? All that?
Dinosaur.
Look at it, it's got another breath. It's coming out really fast.
Look at that. That's like Hawaii.
That's like a real volcano where it just gets like a second wind.
Did you see that? It just all of a sudden like...
Oh man,
Very
it's picking
cool.
up